so glad to get to see your face here. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
It feels like I already know you.
So much.
How fun. It's so crazy to see someone meet them on Instagram, and here we are face to face. That's so funny. Is this your buffet behind here? Is this the piece that you painted? Oh, it looks great in there. Your office, well, your home is beautiful.
Thank you so much. It is. It's I got this piece, believe it or not, on Facebook Marketplace for I think it was $60.
Awesome. My kind of girl.
Beat up and you know, grungy looking, and I used your deglosser, and it did such a good job at cleaning it. And then I used Iron Gate, which I love.
Oh, and it looks beautiful. The sheen's perfect. I love the glow.
It's so nice, and I changed the hardware, and it's a completely different piece.
It is. It looks like it belongs in that room. And that was one of those old pieces of the 70s looking carved detail that you would think, yeah, not going to look so great, but it looks perfect in there.
It does. It looks really good. The attention to detail on this is really.
I started following you once I saw that you did that because I was seeing all the other things you were doing in your home, and you've just knocked it out of the park all the way around. Not just there, but your dining room I especially loved, and everything that you've done there.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, you are quite the designer, and your carpet on your stairs was just beautiful. And I know your husband his contribution was great there.
He did, and I told him about that, and he was like, "Oh, she noticed."
I did notice. I sure did, and I love those long draperies that you did in the living room. Those are really stunning. They really accented that big tall wall there around the fireplace. So
really happy with the product. Very easy to use. Just using the deglosser to really clean it very well. I used it, I think, twice just to really get all the, all the dirt and years of
wax
dust on it.
Yeah.
And it works easily, very well. I have all the paint brushes here, and then to paint it, I used the sponge provided by you guys.
You're great.
And it was so easy. This was only 2 coats.
Awesome.
And kind of turn around here so you can see it. It's a really, really gorgeous piece.
Yeah, I love the hardware you chose, and the rug, and I love the shelf. There's nothing there that I don't like. You just did it all perfect.
Thank you so much. Yeah, and it's a nice. It almost looked like it was sprayed on.
That's the beautiful thing.
It looks so beautiful. It does a really great job, and thank you for making such an amazing product. It's really good.
I appreciate you being on here with us today. We'll see you soon.
All right.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us here. Thank you so much.
Hi. So glad to be here.
Tell us about your experience.
I'll tell you about my painting experience. People run because they're afraid I'm going to paint them. I used chalk paint years ago, and needless to say, I did one piece. So I found the HTP site on Facebook, started following it. I knew I had a table to paint, so I ordered 1 pint of linen, no sanding, no priming, no top coat. It was like, no brainer, let's do this.
Great.
So I have done just about everything in my house that my husband will allow me to do. And I'm still looking. I went up in the attic to get a piece out that's been up there for 20 years just so I can use this paint. It is awesome.
Well, a girl's got to find projects now to paint, right?
Would you like to see some of them?
Sure, show us. We'd love to see them. Sure.
Let's see if I can flip this around.
All right.
Okay. Here was my first project.
Beautiful.
And that is lemon and weathered wood.
Looks
and
great.
And then I went upstairs, which I'm not going to take you up there, but I did my bedroom and a bonus room. Then I came downstairs and I painted my living room furniture.
It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It looks very modern.
Recliner. Yes, that was a brown recliner.
That's
this
cute.
Was a dark brown bench with a, believe it or not, leopard top. So I painted that in linen. And there needs to be a warning on the paint that it's addictive. Because now I'm looking for more things to paint.
I think that's adorable. Thank you so much, Linda, for sharing your beautiful home with us.
Oh, you are so welcome. I love you, and your paint is
Thank you.
awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.